and welcome to our first session in the auditorium for today. My name is Joanna and I will host this session together with my colleague Jutta.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here with me. So we will talk about the mobile journalism app YourStoryz that was created by ShareStoryz. Jutta is the managing director of this company. So before we start with our demo, I'll give you a quick overview of the YourStoryz app and tell you a few things about what it does. So YourStoryz is designed for super easy video production, for example, for news creating companies, for brands, for sports enterprises, and really for any businesses that want to create, brand, post, and share their content across different communication channels. And we will show you in the next few minutes how to produce a video with YourStoryz. But before we start, it's very important to think about the story. So we thought about some scenes that we want to film. So it's always good to have a rough storyline or a storyboard. And we thought that we could use this very interview and film it.
Yeah, we do. And we start right away. Please use the native video app on your phone. Open it, and we start with you.
Okay,
we do
cool.
A scenery shot. Let's do it.
Okay. Hello and welcome everyone to the YourStoryz product demo.
So the clip should always be between 5 and 10 seconds. Then we should have a close-up. That's always interesting. And we take the robot today. Then interviews are always a good idea.
Yeah, definitely. So I'll be filming Jutta. Okay, always make sure that you hold the phone in a stable position.
YourStoryz is an app to easily create videos, add lower thirds, title or voiceover and stitch them together and let them look professional.
Great, thank you.
Yeah, and then we should have something as a closer. So we take the logo for today because we are here at the X-Dream event. Good.
Okay, so
that's it.
We have 4 video clips now. So how do we get started with YourStoryz? How can we edit them?
We open the app, which is available for iOS and Android. I have an iPhone, so it's an Apple from the Apple Store. And I do create my story. We filmed in horizontal because that's basically more professional.
Yeah.
Depends on the channel I like to go. If I like to use it at Instagram, of course, I need to do the vertical.
Or TikTok.
Or TikTok, sorry. But for the most other broadcasting, it's horizontal.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so I see there's different channels that I can choose from. What's the difference between the personal and the company channel?
Yeah, so personal, every account comes with a personal one. That's then watermarked with the YourStoryz logo. And we do have the company channels if you have a professional account. And there you could be attached to more than one company. So you can work for more than one. I'm attached to Xdream Distribution in that case. So I choose them because we are in the Xdream studio today.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
we choose the files. Just go to the film roll, take the 4 videos we've done and add them. Then it takes a little to load them. But here we go.
Okay, and they're also in the right order.
Exactly. They are in the order we produced them. You can check the timing of the different video clips, and now we can start editing.
Okay, so maybe some of them might be a bit too long now if we put them together. So probably we'll need to trim them a little bit.
7 seconds. We have the robot with 6 seconds, me with 12. So maybe we do the robot a bit shorter because it's not so important. So we click to the, I repeat it, we click to the edit with the pencil and we cut the video. My app is in German because the default language on my phone is German. If your default language is a different one, the app will be shown in your language. So, cutting is super easy. I just move it a bit. And I can see now I have about 4 seconds. I can also preview. Yeah, that's fine.
Looks good.
So, and now you see it below. We cut it to 4 seconds.
Okay, and the other ones I think should be fine.
fine.
That looks all right. Okay, so what about fade in and fade out to make the video a bit smoother? Is that available?
So let's take yours, and we add the fade overs. We can fade in and fade out. We can also adjust the timing, but I just leave it as it is and put it in.
Okay.
What we should do is we should mute the audio at videos that are not having good audio.
Yeah.
So we just do it with the robot, not to forget it.
Okay, so simple. Just
you have been talking, so we leave the audio as we record it.
Okay, good. So if we want to do a voice overlay, it's important to mute them. So maybe we could try doing that now.
We can do it at the last one.
Yeah.
As a closing, we have 7 seconds. So first we mute the original audio from the video. Then we again edit it and add a voiceover. And let me try it. Please check out on our platform x-dream.events. So we recorded it. We can play it.
Check.
We should be able to check. No. Maybe because we screen sharing. But we put it in. Then...
Okay, so we've got the voiceover, which is good. What about texts, like headers or lower thirds, if I want to add some?
Yeah, let's add a lower third at the beginning. We put it in, so we disable the title at the first one, but we add the lower third. So we put in our names, Joanna and Jutta, and then as a description, presenting your StoryZ. So, and then we edit. Now we see it at the first. We do have a lower third. And we can add at the last one the title. So we need to disable lower third, but we add the title. Join us at x-dream.events. So now we see it at the top. We can move it by clicking into the picture. So we can move it down, do eccentrics. We could also change the color to blue.
Ah, okay, I see.
Yeah, but white was maybe better. So let's do it more like this one. Good.
Okay.
Anything else?
That was super quick. Actually, I think we're good. We've got the text, we've got the voice overlay, we've got the fade in, fade out. I think we're good to go. So how do I publish the video?
Very easy. Just clicking the arrow. Then we get a title. Demo of YourStoryz. We shorten it always with the 3 letters. At x-dream.events. Video would gemacht von Jutta, so we leave that. And then we could choose where we like to publish it. So we can do it at the dashboard of YourStoryz, on the website, and on my personal YouTube channel. And then we publish it. Oh, I missed. You could choose the rendering option if you like to have fast or super fast.
Oh, okay.
You could have done that to super fast, then it would be even faster.
Okay.
So I missed it, but we can open the website while it's rendering. Then we can directly see where it's arriving. I forgot to do this before. So
no problem.
Let's open this here at the demo page. And then as soon as it's done, we should find our video. That's the video from yesterday. But then as soon as I get the message that it's done,
it will
here, then we can see it on the page.
Okay, great. So as we wait, just quickly, if you would like to download YourStoryz, you can do that in the App Store or in the Google Play Store. It's super easy, super quick. So if you feel like playing around, just download it.
Yeah, there are different business models. There is a freemium user, which has limited amounts of stories you can create. Then we do have the small professional packages for individuals or small companies. And of course, there is the enterprise option for companies with more than 5 users. So we are happy to describe and discuss. So my story is done. I can close it, and I can also save it to my personal film roll. So I can use it not only on the published channels, I can use it wherever I like. And now we should see it here. Let's check.
Refresh.
Here we go.
Yay.
We are online. Let's see if it's playing. Yay. Yeah, so its internet connection is a bit. Yeah. There we had the fade out.
Yeah.
Then we have the robot. And you see the logo at the top. So it's designed by my company. Check out on our platform.
The voiceover.
Exactly. So one thing that the people should take care of, what we not did now, is light and adjustment in the app. But Joanna prepared a super workshop for all our customers where they can learn all this.
Yeah, definitely. So there's a few things that you have to consider before you start editing with your story. Just some basic filming tips, like for example, also always have a clean lens, or put your phone on airplane mode when you film.
I forgot that.
Oh yeah. So simple things, but actually very important. Always carry a power bank with you, things like that. So yeah, I'm in the process of preparing a little workshop about that.
So we not only offer the app, we also guide our customers. We like to learn from the customers, and there's a lot more you can do with that app. A lot of ideas, and we're happy to share them.
Yeah. But we hope you enjoyed this little insight, this little mini workshop of YourStoryz now. And of course, you can always get in touch with us if you need more information, if you have questions. So yeah, feel free, and also go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and download it. If you want to talk to Jutta right now about the YourStoryz app, feel free to join our coffee bar. Jutta will be there and happy to talk to you and answer your questions.
Yes, I am.
Cool. So thank you so much, Jutta.
Yeah, thank you, Joanna. That was quick.
Yeah, super quick. Thank you, and stay tuned. We'll be back in a few minutes with the next demo session. Bye.
Bye.